Okay, today we're going to do a fun science experiment. But first, I'd like to talk about oxidation. Oxidation is what occurs when when you're born as a baby and your skin hits the oxygen in the air, you start oxidizing, which means you start getting old and wrinkly, slowly but surely. So what do? They say to take more antioxidants. We eat more antioxidants in our fruits and vegetables, and we put antioxidants on our skin to help anti-aging. One of the most powerful antioxidants that you'll see in a lot of skincare products these days is vitamin C. So today we're going to do a fun little experiment with 3 face washes that all have vitamin C in them. And we know that when we put an antioxidant in iodine, it will neutralize it. So what I'm going to do is put iodine in these 3 jars of water. Make sure they're all exactly the same. Stir them up. Make sure they're all equally orange. This one is more orange. This one is more orange. Okay. That's pretty good. So now we're going to take this one. This is a very, very well-known, popular brand. I'm not going to mention any names, but you can see it here. Says that it's got extract de toronja, which is grapefruit, and you can't read the small print on the back. Maybe you can, but it says right there, vitamin C. So if we put it in here, a couple squirts, let's see what happens. Put another good squirt in there. Well, it did get lighter. Now we're going to use this Garnier vitamin C. Oh, I said I wasn't going to say names, but oh well. Vitamin C right on the front there. It's got. Whew, that was a lot. Okay. See what this one does. Interesting. Well, that one made it very interesting. And now we're going to try this 180 face wash, which delivers 10% pure vitamin C available to the skin. And this is really thick because it doesn't have any water in it. Oh my goodness. Would you look at that? Makes it clear. Why is that? Well, I'll tell you. The first ingredient in this and in this, just make sure, yep, are both water. The first ingredients in both of these. This does not have water in it at all. There's no water in it because what happens when you mix water and vitamin C, it starts breaking down the vitamin C. So while there is vitamin C in these products, it's not really doing that much for your skin. And that's why we say you can spend less money buying these products at the grocery store, but are they really doing anything for you? You might think they are until you try something like this. That's actually very inexpensive, but you can't get at a store. You have to get it from a distributor like me. And look, it actually works. Let's see what happens when we dump it in. Oh, look at that. Clears up that one. And that one too. So, which vitamin C face wash do you want to use?